On to some other stories for you making local headlines. Lori Vallow, Daybell's oldest and now only child, took the stand in court this morning. This is in Chad Daybell's trial. Chad, of course, accused of murdering two of Lori's children, Vallow and Tylee Ryan, as well as his first wife, Tammy.
And our Morgan Romero is back in the courtroom today for the fourth week of Daybell's trial. Morgan, what did jurors hear today?
Brenna and Joe, jurors heard from a total of 5 witnesses today, and just minutes after Lori Vallow, Daybell's son, Colby Ryan, took the stand, he became emotional. He had to wipe tears from his eyes as he was asked to identify his little sister and his adopted brother.
Mr. Ryan, do you recognize that individual?
Yes.
Who is that?
That's my sister, Tylee.
In that heavy moment, I saw JJ's grandmother, Kay, and her husband, Larry Woodcock, and Tammy's aunt, Vicki Hoban, wipe tears from their eyes in the gallery of the courtroom. Colby told prosecutors he grew worried about his little sister because their conversations weren't normal after she, JJ, and Lori moved away from Arizona at the end of August 2019. Lori never told them where or why they moved. After police questioned him about his siblings' whereabouts, and even after she was arrested, Colby testified today that his mom told him not to worry.
You were asked if she could be influenced.
Yes.
Do you believe your mother was influenced by Chad Daybell?
Objection, Judge.
Grounds?
It's speculation. There's no foundation to base what he's basing this on.
It's a question of belief. It's overruled.
100%. I think she could be influenced. Yes.
Okay, and my question was, do you believe she was influenced by Chad Daybell?
Judge, again, I'm going to object. Foundation, speculation.
Overruled.
Yes.
Thank you.
However, Colby did testify before December of 2019. He didn't even know Chad was in the picture. Before his 45-minute testimony, retired FBI agent Doug Hart took the stand again, going over texts between Chad and Lori. He said Chad was the one who deemed people light and dark and used his, quote, supposed visionary powers to manipulate Lori, although he added Lori also manipulated Chad in some ways. The day ended with David Warwick on the stand. He was friends with the couple and is married to Lori's best friend, Melanie Gibb, who already testified in this trial. He and Melanie were visiting Lori in Rexburg the weekend that JJ was last seen. You're going to hear more from his experiences from that weekend coming up later on the news at 6, as well as a little bit deeper information into Chad Daybell's religious beliefs.
Well, a lot to dig into there. Certainly a lot to follow at the news at 6, and really for the next several weeks. Morgan will continue to follow your live reports from the Ada County Courthouse.